Welcome back to our channel Learning Bees. Today, let's dive in our new video Learn Daily English with Idioms and Phrases. Today's situation is at the grocery store. So let's dive in. Shopping at the grocery store. Characters Shopkeeper and Ria. Goal Learn how to speak politely and naturally using idioms and phrases. Interesting, right? Good afternoon. How may I assist you today? Polite way to ask, how can I help you? Good afternoon. I am here to pick up a few things, some fruits and vegetables. Pick up is equal to buy casually. Certainly. What would you like? I would like a kilogram of apples and a kilogram of tomatoes, please. Anything else you would like to add to your basket? A very common phrase in shopping means to buy more items. Yes, I also need a packet of milk and a loaf of bread. A loaf is a unit used with bread. Here are all your items. Would you need anything more while you are at it? While you are at it means since you have already doing something. No, that should do for today. How much do I owe you? Asking for the total amount to pay means owe you. That will be 150 rupees. Please. Here you go. Used while handing over money or items. Thank you. Have a great day and do drop by again. Drop by is equal to visit again casually. Thanks. See you next time. A polite farewell. And this is done. Now let's see what we have learned today. Pick up few things is equal to buy casually. Add to your basket, buy more items. While you are at it, since you are already doing it, how much do I owe you? Asking price. Here you go. Handing something over. Drop by, visit casually. See you next time. Polite goodbye. So that now we have come to the end of the video. Try using these phrases next time you go shopping. Like, share, and subscribe for more real life English practice. Thank you. And of course, subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet.